Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 5 screws securing the filter housing. Use either a flathead or Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF3174 filter into the housing. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the screws. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.